How to transfer money from Cash App to Chime. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can transfer money from Cash App to Chime. So without further delay, let's get started. In order to transfer your money, you could directly link your Chime account to the Cash App and transfer it directly. Then open up Cash application. Once you're here, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, and then from the options available, tap on linked accounts or linked banks. After that, again tap on link bank. Then you have to add your Chime debit card or your Chime account number. If you want to find your Chime routing and your account number, you could simply open up your Chime application, go to the settings, and under account information, you could find your routing number and account number. Once you have linked the Chime account, you could go back to your Cash App home screen. Once you're here, tap on your money. After that, tap on Cash Out. Then enter the amount that you want to transfer. There you have two options to choose from. The first option, instant transfer, which will require a small fee. The second option is the standard transfer, which will be available or which will take place within 1 to 3 days, which is for free. Once done, select your Chime account and confirm it. Then your amount will be transferred. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.